Alright guys, so I got the question, where can I find the link to my teacher's classes? So first thing that you need to know is that we are using Microsoft Teams and not Zoom. Let me say that again. We are not using Zoom. We are using Microsoft Teams. So I have already made a video on how you can download Microsoft apps to your computer. If you go to my YouTube channel, it is literally titled Downloading Microsoft Office Apps to Your Laptop. Your Teams thing will look like this. This is the calendar. If you go to your Teams, you'll see your classes, right? So you see my first period, second, blah, blah, blah. Does that make sense? I don't know why I'm asking you because you can't respond to me. But once your teachers load your calendar, you will be able to just click here and click join, and it will be there. Another way is to go to the hub. So, example, this is my first period class, right? If you scroll down right here, it says events. On Wednesday at 8:30, they can click this link right here and then open Microsoft Teams, and it will start the meeting, right? So when you start the meeting, make sure your camera is off, your microphone is off, and then you would click join now. To review, where am I here? To review. 1, we are not using Zoom, we're using Microsoft Teams. And 2, you can find the link either in the calendar on your Microsoft Teams, or you can find it in the hub on your calendar. So let me know if you have any more questions.